Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your custom domain name to Blogger. Let's get started. So the first step here is to log into your Blogger's account. Now from your Blogger's account, we click on the settings. So from here, we scroll to the publishing section. From the publishing section, we have the custom domain option here. You click on custom domain. So here you put in the name of your custom domain. Don't forget to use the www. Your custom domain name. So mine is demotutorial.yt. We'll click on save. So from here you get this message. Now this message here is to update your CNAME record to point to Blogger. So from here we have the name type, which is set to www, and also the destination, which is set to this domain name. So from here I'll go to my cPanel. Now from my cPanel I'll scroll to the zone editor section. From here I'll click on zone editor. And you select your custom domain name, the particular domain name you want to use. So mine is demotutorial.yt. I'll click on manage. So I'll click on the CNAME filter option. So here I have all the CNAME record, both my subdomain name. Here I will have to delete all the CNAME record associated with my primary domain name, which is demotutorial.yt. So here this CNAME record is a subdomain, which is demotutorial.demotutorial.yt. So I'll scroll up and ensure that I don't have any CNAME record pointing to my primary domain name. If you have any CNAME record pointing to your primary domain name, ensure you delete that CNAME record. So here I have a CNAME record pointing to my primary domain name. So I'll delete this CNAME record. So you ensure that you delete all the CNAME record associated with your primary domain name. So here I don't have any other CNAME record associated to my primary domain name. So here you click on the drop down menu here to add a new CNAME record to your domain name. So I'll click on add CNAME record. Here you type www, and this is coming from the blogger's CNAME here. So you can see your name is set to www, and the destination will also be this domain name. So I'll click here and put record, and I'll save the record. So the CNAME record has been changed successfully. We also click the option here to add another CNAME record. We'll go back to Blogger, then we'll copy the second CNAME record, then we'll paste the name here, then we'll go back again and copy the destination, then we'll paste it here, then we'll save our record. So the CNAME record has been updated successfully. We'll go back to Blogger, then we'll click on save. So with this, our custom domain name is now connected to Blogger. You can see the custom domain name here, which is set to demotutorial.yt. Now the next option here is to set the redirect domain. Now you have to click this on to redirect your Blogger domain to your custom domain. Now in case your custom domain name is not showing your Blogger's website, now you wait for 24 hours for your DNS setting to fully propagate. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you out. If you have any question, feel free to leave them at the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.